Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We're going to continue our extended Tech Talk series with our friends at AlertOps. I'm joined, as usual, by Cam from AlertOps. Cam, thanks for joining me today.
Hi, Mike. Thanks for having me.
It's always fun when we are able to get together and continue our exploration of the many features of the AlertOps platform. And I understand today we're going to talk a little bit about services and some of the advanced features that exist for that within the AlertOps platform. So I'll turn it over to you. Take it away, and let's talk about services today.
Yeah, absolutely. So services are actually a pretty cool feature that we've recently added to the AlertOps platform. And really what this is to provide visibility and another mechanism by which you can interact with your stakeholders here. So from that standpoint, we've seen how manual alerting can be utilized to provide visibility into incidents across the course of incident response within your organization. Stakeholders is a bit of a more automated mechanism where individuals can really subscribe to the services or components that they have a vested stake in and provide automatic visibility when any service or component is undergoing an issue. So on my screen here, you can see that I have a list of 4 services. Underneath each service, I have various components that will be tied to that service. So you can see here how really easy it would be to build that parent-child or dependency relationship, even from a standpoint of topology, being able to track certain levels of dependencies within your infrastructure. When I click into a particular service, we'll see that I have the ability to create components, add components, as well as add any message templates that I would like that I can send as a template when any statuses are updated for any one of these services. I have the ability to view incidents here, which will allow me to act on any one of my components or services. I can click inside and I can see the status of any incident and kind of timeline preview as opposed to it. And within the incident itself, once again, I have the ability to update the status of existing incidents for particular components. So I can very easily select a message template and it'll go out to my subscribers via SMS or email. When we jump back to the main service view for the actual stakeholder subscribers themselves, we can hit the subscribe button and we can get pretty granular with the subscriptions. We can do it via email or SMS, both at the service level as well as the component level here.
Very interesting. So this really we're giving ourselves the ability. We can structure this obviously however we wish based on our organization and how we want to roll the components up. We're giving folks the ability to subscribe to certain service alerts, so they don't have to get them all. They can get just some, and then we're able to define what messaging goes out on for a particular down at the component level. Again, that granular control that AlertOps has designed into the overall platform, that ability to go to a granular level to get your messaging just the way you want it. And this is kind of cool because you really start to look at, as we're working something, we're able to provide that information. And then with the API functionality that's available as well, we could be posting this out, as we've talked about before, to multiple other places that might help with call deflection. Somebody's not subscribed necessarily to that alert, but may actually know about that alert because we posted that alert somewhere else. Just as we're tying everything together the way we can, where this is the communication sub, but it's now providing information out in multiple different ways. That's really cool. I know folks that are watching this are going, I can think of many ways that we might be able to put this to some use, because you're not talking about is it like a thumbs up, thumbs down, operational, non-operational. We can follow somewhat of a structure in that, and we've got the incidents within AlertOps, but they could be tied to our incidents. You start to think about just the many ways that we could be interacting with various systems, and AlertOps there is the hub of communications, the hub of the details that we want to put out there. this is really cool. I remember you talking about this. You're like, you got to see this because it's pretty neat. There's not 500 moving parts here, but this is a very key functional piece that can provide tremendous value and visibility to our folks that are consuming our services.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is really cool. Well, Cam, thank you for sharing this with us. Because as I said, I think, I started thinking, rubbing my non-existent beard, thinking about the different ways that this could be put to use by systems that I'm involved in. But I can imagine the customers watching this video are kind of thinking the same thing. Oh, wow. All right. What all could we do with this? That'd be really cool. So thank you for sharing it. Stay tuned for another episode as Cam and I continue to peel back the layers of the onion and dive deeper into the wonderful platform known as AlertOps. Thanks for joining me today, Cam.
Awesome. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.